Welcome to City Pride Mechanical Lab. These are the different machines which used to work mechanically. Here you can see the drill machine, screw driver, tighteners, drill stand. Here is a C-clamp with the drill hole, hammer, welding rod, saw machine, blower, grinder. Then here are the different mechanical tools like spanner, screwdriver, hacksaw, wrench pipe or wrench vise, spirit level, measuring tape, scale. Here is you can see micrometer, vernier caliper, screwdriver attachment, pipe threading device. Here is a plier and all this thing. Here is round cutting tools for the wood, which will make hole like this, and it is a pipe wrench. And here are the different 3D printed parts by the student. So this is the universal coupling part, this is C-clamp, and this is a simple isometric model. This is a gear puller prototype, bangles or kangan. Here is the lion, gears, it is a screw jack main body. Okay, here is a dish holder. These are two dish holder prototype. It is a part of filter. This is hand printed on a 3D printer. This is again filter holder. This is a window cleaner duster. Window cleaner duster in two parts. Here we are going to attach a magnet, and here is our main project of vacuum cleaner. Here battery, motor arrangement, filter is there, and we are using this model to clean the window, railing window. Here is a student's different sketchbook. Here you can see isometric is drawn by the students, and here is a 2D orthographic projection and orthographic views drawn with by the student with the help of mini drafter, French curve, and pro circle, etc. You can see the protractor and all these things, rounder, toolbox. So this is on the sketchbook, means practically to develop the skill of the students. And here in advanced case we covered them, covered AutoCAD 3D, and here they make a different type of keys: Woodruff key, taper key, saddle key, jib headed key. Okay, and here they use a shell command and make a box with covers using slicing command. Here they try to make an interior and wardrobe they try to do. Here the simple toy like structure with a wheel. This boy tried to make a spoon and what we say drawer type structure. Here you can see the gear and simple 3D isometric they have done. This boy interested in a home interior, so he make a hut and all these things. It is again a lawn and chair with a bed. Okay, so these are the different drawings and quality of the student which they done up to the 8th standard. This is the flange, cross in the pipeline, cross to join the 4 pipe in a perpendicular direction. This is the sweep command, and using that command they make a Allen key. Revolve command, they make a pot, and here again the gear. Along with that, we used to give them guidance about the aero modeling, and they learn different parts, wings concept and Bernoulli's theorem, different parts of the aeroplane, and contents in the aeroplane, drag, fuselage, parts of the aeroplane. So this is what mechanical lab of City Pride School. I am Bharat Khairkar sir, who is looking after these mechanical activities. So welcome to mechanical lab. I think you like the introduction of mechanical lab, and here is the end of the session.